Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm your immigration lawyer. Our office is here fighting for the rights of immigrants who are facing deportation, and today I want to tell you about another one of our immigration cases of the week. Today I'm going to be talking about the matter of WYU, okay? And this was a case that was decided by the Board of Immigration Appeals on April 18th, and today is April 25th, so it's just about a week ago, all right? So, of 2017, if you're watching this at some point in the future. So this case is discussing something in immigration law called administrative closure. And you might have questions about what is administrative closure and what does that even mean. Well, the way it works is sometimes if you have a application that's on file with the service center, or if you have some other maybe option for immigration benefits that are outside of the court setting, sometimes the judge will say, you know what, we're going to administratively close your proceedings in court so that you can provide or that you can pursue your immigration benefit, you know, with the service center or with the Department of State or with typically with USCIS, the Citizenship and Immigration Service. What that allows you to do, basically, is to not continue with all of your hearings. You know, your case is closed in court. It's not that you've won. It's just that your case is sort of administratively closed for now, right? So to allow you to pursue your visa, if you have like a U visa, for example, or to allow you to pursue a family-based case, for example, if that's what you have going. That's the most common example of administrative closure. All right. So in this particular case, what happened? This is a gentleman from China who had come to the U.S., had filed for asylum, and now he's in immigration court proceedings, right? The weird thing here is that it wasn't him, it was actually the department that moved for administrative closure. And they said, you know what, Judge, we've decided that we just, you know, we've got too much going on, too many cases, etc. We want to just get this case off of our docket. We want to administratively close the case, right? The judge agreed with that over the gentleman from China's, over the respondent's objection. The guy from China wanted to get a result, you know, wanted a decision on his asylum case. He didn't want to just have his case be left in limbo, all right? And so this is a very uncommon scenario. Usually we want the case administratively closed, but in this particular setting, he wanted a decision, he wanted to win asylum, and so he did not want administrative closure, right? But the judge granted it anyway. Well, he appealed. This guy from China, he appealed and said to the Board of Immigration Appeals, look, you know, I want asylum. They shouldn't have closed my case. And so then the Board of Immigration Appeals issued this decision last week. And what it said, and what the main conclusion is that the primary consideration for an immigration judge to see whether or not they should admin close or not is whether or not the party opposing administrative closure has, quote-unquote, provided a persuasive reason for the case to proceed on the merits, all right? So if they've, quote-unquote, provided a persuasive reason, then and only then should the judge administratively close their case or not, okay? So I hope that that makes sense. If you are applying for some sort of relief outside of court, and if you're thinking of submitting administrative closure, and if you want to really understand what that means, please contact your attorney or contact our office. I'd love to explain it to you. It's a strategy that can be used to help your case, or in some instances, it's a strategy that can actually, you know, be used against you as well. And you just want to be aware of whether your attorney who's filing an administrative closure, you know, is doing it in your best interest or not. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. Thank you very much for watching. Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration. Thank you.